Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the best ways to do Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Well, actually to do affiliate marketing in general, because method that I'm going to show you today is fully automated. We are going to use ChatGPT and plus some free extensions for ChatGPT that will help us to get targeted free traffic and make passive income with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to go on Google, and here we need to search for Harpa AI and then press enter, and then you need to scroll here and click here on Google Chrome extensions, and you need to install this Google Chrome extension to your Google Chrome. Now as you can see, I already did that, so I don't need to do that. Now next thing we need to do, we actually need to find products to promote. Now because this is Digistore24 affiliate marketing video, I'm going to use Digistore24, but you can successfully apply this method on any other affiliate network. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Internet Marketing and e-business. And here I can find the products that I can actually promote. So for example, let me just take this first product here. Here you can see Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Okay, so what I need to do, I simply need to copy this. Okay, Tube Monetization, and simply Control C, and then I need to go here on Google and I need to paste that here and I need to search for a review. Okay, review. The reason why I search review, because reviews are highly targeted. People who are searching reviews of different products actually wish to buy that product, so they are actually checking what other people who bought that product think about that product. That is why this is highly targeted keyword. Now here you can see all the websites who actually wrote a review of this product here, and here you can see there are some really big websites, and when you scroll here you can see vocal.media. Now vocal.media has a huge authority on Google, and that is why they are ranking high on Google. So what we actually need to do, we need to go back here and we need to check out this first website, because that is the website that is ranking as #1. So we need to visit that website, and then what we need to do, we need to press Alt-A on our keyboard. Now like I said, for this method you have to use Google Chrome. Okay, that is really important. So here you can see I activated Harpa AI. So what I need to do, I need to click on / and I need to find option that I'm actually looking for. Okay, here you can see extract and research SEO keywords. I need to click here, and then I need to click here page text, and then I need to click here, and now what will happen is Harpa AI will analyze keywords in this article, and it will tell me what keywords this article actually targeted, all the keywords that they are targeting. So what I need to do, now I actually need to go on ChatGPT and I need to tell it to write me an article targeting these keywords. Okay, so I will go back here on ChatGPT, and here I need to give it a prompt. And this is my prompt. Here you can see these are the keywords that Harpa AI actually extracted from this article here. And here you can see I gave it a prompt. Write this article, Tube Mastery and Monetization Review. Use this article as a point of reference. And then I added a link to this article here, because I wish ChatGPT to use this article as a point of reference, because this is obviously a good article because it is ranking as #1 on Google for this keyword. And also why I'm targeting this keyword here. Okay, so when I simply Control C, and when I go back here on Ahref free keyword generator and paste that keyword here, click here find keyword, give it a second to verify that I'm a human being. Here you can see 30 people search this keyword every month in the United States. Keyword difficulty 0. There is almost no competition, which means I can easily rank on first page on Google for this keyword. And when you add Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, and other countries, this is more than 1,000 searches every month. But 1,000 highly targeted searches every month on Google. And like I said, keyword difficulty is 0. There is almost no competition. So what I need to do, I need to go back here and I need to tell ChatGPT to write me this article. So when I go back here you can see this is the link, and here you can see this is the keywords density information in this article sprinkled naturally throughout the article, and these are the keywords. Okay, that is really important. You need to tell to ChatGPT to sprinkle naturally these keywords throughout article, so it looks more natural. So it looks like it was actually written by a real human being. So just click here, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. So while ChatGPT is writing this article, we actually need to publish this article somewhere. And for that, I am going to use Vocal Media. Vocal Media is same like medium.com. But you're probably wondering right now, well, why not publish this article on medium.com? Because medium.com doesn't rank articles that contain affiliate links on Google anymore. And that is why we are using vocal.media, because they are still ranking those articles. So what I need to do, you need to register for a free account and then click here on create a story. And now we need to create a story. So I will go back here on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT actually is writing this review, okay? So what I can do, I can simply copy this title. This is the title that ChatGPT actually gave me. And I can go back here and I can add the title here on vocal.media. Now this is my title here, and now I need to give it a subtitle. Again, I can simply go back here on ChatGPT and I can use this, for example, to be my subtitle, okay? So again, just copy this and go back here on Vocal Media and add that subtitle here, okay? Okay, here you can see I added my subtitle. So now I need to add the rest of the article now. What I would suggest is to open your articles with catchy images. That is really, really important, because second thing that people will see when they actually come to your article is a catchy image, and that will catch their attention and they will actually read your article. So to do that, you can simply click here on upload images and then click here on, and you can upload images from your desktop, or what I like to do, I actually click here on unsplash images and I can search here simply YouTube in this case, and press enter. And for example, let's just say I will use this image here, okay? As you can see, it automatically added this image. These are royalty-free images. That is really, really important. And what I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to simply copy this, okay? I will simply Control-C and I will go back here and I will simply paste that here. And what I need to do next, I actually need to add my call to action. So I can add my call to action here, okay? So I will go back here on Digistore24 and I can simply go on his sales page. And I can use his sales page as an inspiration for my call to action. So for example, I can take this, okay? And I can say Control-C and I need to go back here and I can paste that here. And what I need to do, I simply need to highlight this and then I need to click here on this little chain, and here I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link or ClickBank affiliate link, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, or whatever affiliate link you have. So this is my affiliate link, press enter and that's it. I added my affiliate link. Now, if you are actually adding affiliate link in vocal.media article, you must add an affiliate disclaimer. You must say that this article contains an affiliate links. And if someone actually click on that link and buys that product, you will earn an affiliate commission. You must say that. Otherwise, your article won't be approved. Now, after you finish everything, after you add title, subtitle, add your image, add the text and call to action in your affiliate link, what you need to do, you simply need to click here on Save Changes, give it a few seconds, and here you can see how this actually looks. So let me just close this, and now you need to click here on Submit for a review. Now here you need to choose a community, so let me just find the community. I will choose, for example, let's just say education for the purpose of this video, because this video is educational, and add tags, so I can choose some tags. So let me just, for example, how to. I will leave it as how to, but you will add more tags that are closely related to the product that you are actually promoting. And after that, all you have to do is just click here, submit for review. And if your article is 100% unique and you don't have any copyright issues, your article will be approved in next 24 hours. But your article on Vocal Media won't rank by itself. Even though Vocal Media has a huge authority, it won't rank by itself. So what you need to do, you simply need to start building backlinks to your article, and you can start sharing that article on related Facebook groups. You can start sharing it on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Tumblr, share it on related forums. Go and comment on related blogs and leave a link to your vocal media article. Start publishing articles on Easy Articles, on SlideShare and many other websites. Start building as many backlinks as you can to your vocal media article. In that way, you will start ranking that article on first page on Google. When we go back here, you will see that this article is actually ranking on first page on Google. And you will start making passive income with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.